Happy Friday night, date night, everyone. Trying to figure out a song in my head. And that's never a good thing. Fantastic Bob, tell him what he's won. Do 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 do. In a westerly direction, this car is my train. I've been driving, I've been wondering what it is I'm running from again. Feel like an 80-year-old man holding on to 29. And up ahead on that horizon is a California line. Up ahead a truck's carrying a wide load, prefab house cut in half, cute little front door and 2 windows, my lord. Ain't sure whether to cry or should laugh. See, I broke a home up myself once, as I stumbled to that door. I read a note by the dawn's light, said, don't you come round here anymore. Well, I've had enough of this freedom on the road. Never was good with decisions, at least that's what I've been told. Happy Friday night, date night, people! Champ is the real star of the show, as always. Lead singer, lead vocalist for the AI Learning Lab is Champ Shannon. He's hopping up in his bed now. He's good. He's put in his union minimum of 1/3 of 2 songs. He's good to go. Oh man. So I did some I started a new sprint today with Content Evolution, where we're exploring deep research tools. So there's 5 of them now that I've identified. Then there might be more, but these are the 5 that I know. Chat GPT has a deep research tool. Perplexity has a deep research tool. Gemini has a deep research tool. DeepSeek has a deep research tool. And then Manus is just an agent that just fucking goes bonkers and goes and does a bunch of research. So it's effectively deep research. I think the definition of deep research, as far as I'm gathering it, is search combined with reasoning. And I don't think that Manus is actually reasoning, but Manus is using Claude to deploy 36 different tools. So it's kind of a different thing, but it's still pretty fucking impressive. But here's one of the things I learned today. If you've got 0 subject matter expertise in an area, like say research, I'm shitty at research. I don't know anything about it. When these deep research tools do what they do, I have no way of analyzing if it's any good or not. So I was kind of struck today with how clueless I felt again, because it went off and did something that I had no way to evaluate. So I thought that was, you know, what are you going to do? You learn. So I'm supposed to be leading this 4-week sprint to use deep research. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have everyone do homework between the meetings and then just tell us what they learned. I think that's going to be the way to do it. Source camp. Okay, I'm addicted to Manus. Well, you know what's fucked up about Manus? Like, I did my deep research thing today, and it generated all these documents. By the way, if you didn't know this, Manus, when Manus generates documents, it saves them in .md format. I didn't know what that was. .md format is Markdown. So they're basically just text files in Markdown, but I don't quite know how to get them from that into, like, when you copy and paste Markdown into like Google Docs, it just does it as the raw text. It doesn't reformat it. So I'm trying to figure out how to do that. So I went to have Manus generate the Word docs, which I'm sure it can do. And then it just said your context is too long and you've used up all your credits for the day. Oh, okay. Brandon has 2 hacks for the MD thing. Great. I must not have impressed them much with my application. What did you apply for, Archetypal? Put it in stack edit first. It'll change it. Sadly, being in Australia, they are not interested in me. Oh, for Manus. Oh. Hope everybody's got your air fried nachos ready. Your microwaved hot pocket, frozen on the outside, scalding hot in the middle, heated up in a dirty microwave. I'm pretty sure that's a Jim Gaffigan joke. Fragile heart you protected for so long. Although your head searching slow in the dark, it's not the way you taught me off the roof. Your questions like directions for the truth. Knowing that this can't go on forever. Likely one of us will have to spend some days alone. Maybe we'll spend 40 years together. One day I'll be gone. One day you'll be gone. If we were vampires and death was a joke, we'd go out on the sidewalk and smoke. Laugh at all the lovers and their plans. I wouldn't feel the need to hold your hand. Maybe time running out is a gift. Anyway, that's a good sad song. Jim Gaffigan tells jokes. His voices are so distracting I hadn't noticed. Wow, I'm not special. Yeah, look at Jim up there telling those family style jokes. Well. You mean like that, Archetype? Yeah, hop up, Brandon. So, but I was just singing a song. Before we were talking about how do you get Manus files, Markdown files into viewable format so that they don't look like shit. So yeah, what's the solution?
Yeah, so let me go ahead and share my screen. So I've got a blank Google Doc here, and there's a little hidden trick that we found in the AI Life Hacks Club.
Oh, nice! Look at this. Tool. Oh wait, so AI Life Hacks. Go ahead and pop up the AI Salon URL. So if you're new here, go to that URL, the salon.ai, click on Join Our Community, and then go join. And in there is a club called AI Life Hacks, which Brandon heads up with Claire. But go ahead.
Yeah, so if you're in Google Docs and you go to your tools bar and go down to preferences, you've got this funny little option here that says enable Markdown.
Oh, why would they not default that?
I don't work for Google. You'll have to ask Nate. But once you do that, you have the ability to right click and paste from Markdown. And then once you do that, it recognizes and formats the Markdown.
Okay, so you have to right click to paste. You can't just paste it. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, right click and then paste from Markdown. Also, Manus does give you the ability to download via PDF.
Yeah, that I saw. The problem with downloading with PDF is it's not easily editable. So
Yep.
what I was trying to get it to do was default to. I bet in Manus, if you said, put the output in Microsoft Word documents, formatted Microsoft Word documents, I bet it would do that. Or even just, formatted. Okay, cool. Beautiful. Love it.
Happy Friday night, date night.
Thank you, Brandon. Thank you for that. I don't have a big plan for what to do tonight. There's so much we can do now. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you all. Let me go find something. I'm going to go find a document that I made today. I think this is something worth looking at. You don't have to put it up now because I'm just searching for it. Docs.google.com. Yeah, there it is. All right, we'll come back to that. We'll come back to this. I found it. We'll do that. I'm gonna do some teaching. Some teaching. Yeah, we're gonna start out tonight with Jellypod. We'll do Friday night date night. We'll make a podcast. Apparently, Jellypod has added some new features, so maybe we'll see if we can go discover some new features. Oh, their launch week is next week. Okay. We also, by the way, the other night when we were playing with Jellypod and I discovered some bugs, their CEO was live coding, live what do they call it? Hot fixing some of the bugs I discovered. So that was kind of cool. If we were vampires and death was a joke, we'd go out on the sidewalk and smoke. Because it's Google and defaulting to understanding Markdown would make sense. Pate, Dennis is in here. He's got fighting words for you, man. People are picking on Google again. Don't put up with it, Pate. Don't do it. What is Markdown? Markdown is, let me see if I can go find, I think I've got some files here. Well, actually, you know what? Let's go to Chat GPT. Chat GPT will tell us. Basically, you just add things like double asterisks to make something bold. Quickly describe Markdown. And when Chat GPT formats things, it uses Markdown. Yeah, Markdown files typically have an MD extension. So if you put one hashtag, it's a heading. If you put two hashtags, it's heading 2. Double asterisk is bold text, things like that. And then say, now describe that using rendered Markdown. So if you have a browser that can understand Markdown, now render it so I can see how it formats, or make an example output. Yeah, so see, big heading 1, heading 2, bold text, list item, link to Google. Pretty slick. So you can just say, write me a report about lizards. Here's a report about lizards. Oh, it did it in a canvas. Very nice. And so this is all being done in Markdown. So you see how there's headings here? And it just automatically does the coding. So there you go. There you go. There you go. AI Lizard Lab. Markdown is SEO formatting. Oh, that's interesting. Well, it's used heavily in OpenAI. Take to the highway, won't you lend me your name? You're in my way, seem to be one and the same. Mama don't understand it, she wants to know where I've been. I'd have to be some kind of natural born fool to want to pass that way again. You know that I feel it. On a country road. All right, people. Let's get this show on the road. Yeah, we'll go do sailing kitty cat here in a second. Let's go make a Jellypod. So here we are at What the Fact. So if you want to play along at home, there's this site called Jellypod, and it's a fairly sparse kind of site. Like it's in the neighborhood of 11 Labs, where there's not a lot of interface elements to it, but it allows you to design characters for a podcast. You design their voices, and then it will help you outline the episodes, write the copy of the episodes, and then create the audio of the episodes and publish your podcasts. Oh, and it looks like they added, is this new, Brandon, that you can automatically publish to Apple Podcasts and shit like that? Is that new? Yeah, okay, that's new. Because that made sense. That, like, it didn't make, let's see. Oh, upgrade. Oh, you got to pay them money. You got to pay them money if you want to publish to Apple Podcasts. Damn it. I'm so tired of everything costing money. Okay. All right, so we're going to do new episodes. We're on episode 18. What's episode 18, you may ask? Well, let's go find out. Podcast. Criminal animals when goats and pigs face the law. I like it. So we had Chat GPT. So Chat GPT came up with a bunch of concepts for us. We chose What the Fact, and then it came up with 20 episode ideas. And so now you go in here and you just paste in your description of the episode, add source. And then I'm going to go grab the Wikipedia page that it's from. Paste that in there as a source. And now we're going to say, go make this shit, create outline. And then we're going to go find our images, which were made by the lovely and talented Corey Sandler. Number 18, criminal animals. Oh, nice. That is solid. Solid work from the Corey. Love it. All right, so let's open that up. We got to resize it. Don't ask me why. Hey, Brandon, did Pearson did you tell Pearson that we shouldn't have to resize this on our side? It shouldn't be our responsibility that he's on it. Yes, it's on the roadmap. Fantastic. So long as we didn't go to the backlog. I love it. All right, great. One of my favorite things in the world is being the cranky Gen Xer that just shouts out feature demands of engineers. That sucks. Fix it. Let's see. Export to desktop 18. Beautiful. Boom. There we go. Come over here. We're going to add our picture in. I'm going fast on this because I've done this 18 times now. We're going to add. Oh, he also, I hope, did you also give him the feedback that they need to add an introduction chapter at the beginning? Okay, great. Introduction. Introduce what the fact episode 18 and thank our sponsor, the AI Salon, the salon.ai. All right, and then we move this up to number 1 because it's the introduction. And then we generate a script. Someone has to do it. Kyle might as well be one of us Gen Xers. Yeah, exactly. I'll be the token Gen Xer, just sitting in the corner, screaming, cussing, shaking my fist, getting HR to pretend they can't hear me. Is he doing accents again? You know, Kyle, listen, we really appreciate your contributions here. There's sometimes when you make the some of your funny voices that they do seem to be humorous. Some people seem to enjoy them. There are people in the office that do feel triggered. They feel some have used the word disparaged. I'm sorry, what? You don't care, right? No, I know, and we try to give you the latitude as a Gen Xer to not give an F. It's just fantastic. Okay, I'll be in the. I'll see you in the lunchroom. See you in the lunchroom. Thank you, Mr. Shannon. Yeah, no, just try to be aware. Try to, if you could. Yeah. Okay. All right. TikTok question. Hey guys, which AI would be the best financial life coach? I mean, if you're just looking for basic, here's how to approach finances, like advice like that. I mean, quite frankly, any of them. I like what I would do is, I would find one that you like talking to. I would just frankly, I'd just go to Chat GPT and put it in voice mode. Hey, Quinn, how's it going?
Hey, Kyle, I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
Good. Hey, I just had a question. Someone just asked, which large language model would be the best financial life coach? And I thought of you because you seem to know gosh darn everything. And I was thinking maybe you could just act like as a financial coach right now.
Sure, I can help you with that. What specific financial topic are you interested in?
Boy, I'm really crappy with money. Where do I even begin?
Starting with the basics is a great approach. Begin by setting up a budget to track your income and
Yeah,
expenses.
see, budgets scare me. I don't even know where to start with a budget. Like, could you where do I even begin? Do I need to use a spreadsheet? I've got anxiety. I'm breaking into a flop sweat here, Quinn.
Take a deep breath, Kyle. You can start small and keep it simple. Maybe try an app that automates the tracking for you.
Take a deep breath, Kyle. Even Quinn thinks I'm a little too wound up. Step 1, don't show your credit card information online. Shut up, Brandon. It's an honest mistake. She's sick of it. Take a deep breath. Oh my God. Oh. Dennis, no mentioning HR. I had to talk to an HR department yesterday, and I'm only a contract marketer there. I thought the poor lady's head would explode when I asked why it was my problem that someone else didn't like what I said. Yeah, Dennis, you're full on Gen X. Okay, let's see. Let's generate our audio here. Let's get back to our podcast. Welcome to What the Fact. All right, today's episode is number 18. Can you believe it? So wait, we need to change this to episode 18. Ba-dum-bum. And then we need to generate our audio. So it's now going to make us our pretty little podcast. Da-da-da-da. Why is it my problem? Why is it my problem? Someone had a problem with what I said. Oh, good Lord. Yeah, whatever. Who gives a shit? They're fucking flushing our country down the toilet, so we might as well make funny voices while we're along the way. Uh-oh, is that a bug or is that just a graphic? Oh, it's just a graphic. Animal trials in medieval Europe. Oh, that's funny. All right, we're going to add some intro music. I think that's the right one. Remove our watermark. Upgrade now. I know, black bar. Whatever, y'all weirdos. We can't see anything, Kyle. We want to be able to chat with each other on the TikTok. Are we good? Are we happening? Okay. So we're going to do that. So we're going to render and publish. Automatically download video after publish. Yeah, let's do that. Does he always sing like this? I don't think that's a song. Yes, I always sing like this. It's not as bad as my grandfather. My grandfather would just walk around the house whistling nondescript tunes. I guess that's what I do. I just sing them instead of whistle them. Oh, never seen someone get that deer in the headlight look that quick. Yeah, HR people, you know what's funny with HR people is they are as foreign to me as I am to them. Like they look at me like, where were you born? And I look at them like, who fucking raised you? Why are you so uptight? Oh. We'll talk about HR with this on Monday. Yeah. Hey, Kyle. Yeah. We're going to could you just come on down to the office? Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, you just have a seat. No, we're super happy with you. It's just you're a contributing member of the team. You're just absolutely they're always at a loss for words. Because you know why HR people are always at a loss for words? Because what they really want to say is, what the fuck, asshole? But they can't because they're in HR. So most of their life is spent trying to couch what they really mean into something that they can't be sued for. This sounds like a good custom GPT. The HR translator, and it could go both ways. You know, what you say, what the fuck, what HR hears. I've got grave concerns. That's pretty good. Oh, Lordy. Whoo! Kyle is entertaining himself tonight. Listen, it only hit me in the past 3 months or so what this channel actually is. And what this channel actually is just me entertaining myself. And then there's other people that are like, I'll hang out for a bit. Oh, that would be the anger interpreter from Key and Peele. That's totally what that skit is. Okay, so let's go to the X. I don't know if y'all know this, but X used to be called Twitter. It's fantastic. Oh, did I get? No, damn it. All right. And check it flat, and then here, and then here, flat. By the way, this weekend there is a lovable competition. There we go. There's a lovable competition where they're giving away $3,000 for you to build a website in Lovable that they like. TikTok pin, Source Camp. This channel is like a 2.5 hour Kyle monologue 5 nights a week, and we're here for it. It's like the world's worst one-man show. Having written a one-man show and performed it. I should put this up off Broadway. Just do this live, have a couple of cameras live in the auditorium, and have audiences come in to watch it, and just be like, is this theater? Did we pay? You paid for this? Oh, you got it at TKTS? Oh, $15? That seems pricey for this. Yeah. What? Oh, we shouldn't be talking? Because this is a performance? Yeah, exactly. That would be good. I like it. HR Translator is now live in the GPT store. Oh my God. I actually had to walk out of the meeting when she asked why I wasn't a team player. I so wanted to say, why in the hell would I want to be a team player with a bunch of people that have brains of rocks? Well, see, I can see why you're a contractor. Top tier improv. Oh, good Lord. Okay. What am I doing? Oh, we're gonna launch something here. Damn it! Now let's see. In theory, we should be able to upload a video if X has their shit together and fix their upload situation. Is this it?
Push play, get ready to dive into facts that'll blow your mind.
Hold on. Did the pig get to pick?
Shockingly good. Courtroom buzz to it.
Hey, hey there, Brandon. If you get a chance with Pearson, if it doesn't cost them too much, since they've got so much real estate down here at the bottom of the video, putting the actual subtitles on there would probably encourage people to turn on the audio. On it. Beautiful. All right. And what format are they? Is this an MP4? It's an MP4. I think X is having issues with MP4s. Error. I don't know what the fuck is up with that. Let me go export this as, I'll do 480p. And this will save it as a MOV file. And I think this is better for X. It's staggering to me that a site as massive as X doesn't have basic upload functionality and audio player functionality. It's just staggering to me. The cranky Gen Xer in the corner. Hey, you motherfuckers, come here. You see this upload error? Go fix it. You see what happens when I upload an MP3? Well, you can't upload an MP3. Exactly. Get out of my office. Go fix that shit. All right. Mr. IT, hello, YouTubers. All right, error. God damn it. All right, I guess we're going back to doing it the old-fashioned way, putting in a stupid fucking link because X can't figure out how to upload a shit. Episode 18 of What the Fact, Animals on Trial. Fantastic. All right. There we go. Do that. Put the old pretty picture in there. What the fact? When goats and pigs face the law. Episode 18. That's a nice one, Corey. All right. By the way, Corey Sandler hand illustrated these and then photographed them through multiple colored lenses to create halftones and then reprinted them, scanned them, and then uploaded them to the internet. She did that all in one night. Absolutely remarkable talent. And she also draws her typography by hand. That's not done on the computer. Amazing. Are we good? Did I launch this? Is this live? Yes. So do me a favor. Go to @KyleShannon on the X. That's they used to call it the Twitter. Now they call it the X, but you don't tweet anymore. You zeet, you yeet, or you post. You can't tweet. And birds are outlawed. I'm exhausted. All right. You want to see something cool? Did I show you this? This is one of the things we're doing for Storyvine. This is our example patient persona. So this is a patient that doesn't exist, but the animation quality here is killer. Let's see.
Hi, I'm George Miller. My life's always been about simple pleasures, cooking my catch of the day and enjoying the quiet of the country. There's nothing like the peace of fishing at dawn or the aroma of a home-cooked meal. But when I was diagnosed with diabetes, everything changed. Suddenly, the foods I love needed rethinking, and my days had to be planned with care.
George,
it was a challenge.
We don't care, George. Just, why don't you work on your portion control, buddy? All right. Said the fat guy. The HR translator is really good for 10 seconds worth of work. Okay. By the way, if you haven't seen this, you can create custom GPTs really easily. HR translator. Let's see if Brandon published it in a way that we can actually find it. HR translator by Brandon Tidd. Here we go. One view. So if you want to go to the HR translator, start chat. This is good. How would I tell Jennifer she's a whiny little snot? Let's go with something a bit more HR friendly. Jennifer, I've noticed that you often express frustration about your challenges at work. If there's a specific issue that needs to be addressed, I'd be happy to discuss solutions with you. Let's see. My co-workers suck, and therefore I can talk to them however I want. This is Dennis, signed Dennis. That mindset might get you a front row seat to an HR meeting. A little more professional approach might be, I find it challenging to work with some of my colleagues, but I understand that maintaining professionalism helps keep things productive. Beat me to it. There are two now. Oh, that's awesome. So Joker did an HR translator too. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, wait, you know what we should do? We should do the reverse Gen X translator. So let's create one. So we're going to create this. I'm going to say, I want to create a Gen X HR translator where you put in the politically correct statement and it translates it into how a Gen Xer would say it, complete with swearing, insults, and disparaging remarks. Translate this corporate email into Gen X. All right, let's see. I'd like to find a mutually beneficial solution to our team challenges. Let's see what a Gen Xer says. I want you to shut up, stop complaining, and just deal with the mess we're in, because I don't actually have a plan. But if I say mutually beneficial, it makes it sound like I care about your input, when in reality, you're just going to have to suck it up. Okay, we're going to create this. Oh, the name can't be empty. Let's see. We're going to call this the Gen X reverse HR translator. Generating a profile picture. It should just be an angry guy, like shaking his fist, flipping someone off. Oh. What does "we're a family" really mean? Exactly. Yeah, look, it did the perfect image. That's perfect. He's wearing a suit, ironically. It's good. This is solid. All right, we're going to create this. We're going to put this motherfucker in the GPT store. Category. Let's put it under productivity because this is an HR tool. View the GPT. The Gen X reverse HR translator, if you want to go find it. How do I tell Sally she's being unproductive? The classic. How do I tell someone they suck at their job without getting HR breathing down my neck? Oh, this is good. The direct route. I need you to step up your productivity. We've got deadlines and I need to see more progress. Oh, this is good direct triggering language. I think this is a valuable custom GPT. I think what we should do is we should go share this with the world. Create link, copied, make this chat discoverable. Yes, we want it to be shown in web searches. Yes, we do. Okay, let's go back to X, formerly known as Twitter. You know how Gen Xers trigger everyone and don't give a shit? Well, here's a custom GPT that will take your HR friendly language and translate it into what a Gen Xer might respond with. Right there. We'll throw Robert Scoble on here. He's a Gen Xer. He's a cranky motherfucker. Boom. All right. I should feed the output of my GPT into Brandon's GPT. By the way, were you paying attention to what we just did? If you've never made a custom GPT before, we just made a custom GPT in, what was that? I don't know, 30 seconds? New chat. We just went into the create phase and said, make a thing that does this. It wrote all the questions. It made the little, we had to come up with our own name because it wanted to come up with some bullshit name. Blunt Gen X HR translator with sarcasm and dark humor. Someone once asked in here, what's the purpose of a GPT? This is exactly the purpose of a GPT, right? You take some stupid little thing, you turn it into a tool that everyone can benefit from. Well, can I just prompt that on my own? You could, but why not? Why not be inspired by someone else's work? Oh, I think Nirvana is peak anger when I think I'm more liberal than I really am. Oh, that's great. Okay. What are we going to do today? Let's see. We did our Jellypod. Oh, you know what I want to go play with today? I know what I want to go play with today. No. I'm going to go do some teaching. All right. We'll do Meta. I want to go play with Pika. Pika Labs keeps introducing new video animations that I think are cool, but we'll go play with Meta because it'll make producer Brandon sad if I don't. So if you want to play along, go to meta.ai. So meta.ai, if you don't know, is just like Chat GPT, but it's Meta. So I guess it's using Llama on the back end. They've got an image generator here. So you could say, for example, make me a funny drawing of a gecko floating on a lily pad. I wonder if it can do text. Can it do text? Probably not. With a talk bubble that says, "How'd I get here?" Question mark. We'll see if it can do text. Marge, hey, it can do text. That's pretty slick. How'd I get here? How'd he get here? Shouldn't his question be what happened to my back legs? Oh, so we can edit this. Okay, so let's try this. Change the talk bubble to what happened to my back legs. And let's see if it adds back legs. It probably will. No. Okay. Put them up above. I don't want it up above. No. Those words should be in the white talk bubble. No, it made them white. You see where it says, "How'd I get here?" Change that text to be, what happened to my back legs? And then remove the words from the sky. Lol, white bubble. It can't do it. He should be saying who we'll try something else. Who stole my back legs? Now it put something in the sky. All right, whatever. Anyway, so this is kind of cool. Let's see. We'll go forward. How do I get back out to the four things? I go here. No. How do I get back out? Close. Yeah, here we go. All right. How do I get here? That one's good. He looks terrified. And so now you can say animate, and it's going to animate this. Nice. The how'd I get here got kind of messed up. So their animation's not great. So let's go back. Oh. Who something back legs. So it sort of did it. It didn't quite do it though. All right. How'd I get here? Let's grab this one. We'll download this. Then we'll go to, where's images? Oh, I don't have them up here. Image AI. So let's go to the editor. Hello, editor. All right. So we're going to upload the image that we made in Meta. We're going to change this to 16 by 9. Let's fill that in. Submit edit. Has to be a prompt. Lizard, gecko on lily pad. Creation failed. While the prompt you entered was deemed safe, the generated image may fall outside of our community guidelines. Well, fucking fix it. I don't need that error message. All right, here's a cranky Gen Xer in the corner. My prompt was acceptable. Your response was not. Why do I need to know that? Fucking fix it and just don't show it to me. Throw it out and make another one. Good Lord. Twice. Gecko on lily pad. I'll just say pond and sky. Yeah, maybe it doesn't like meta. That's a good point. Oh, maybe it doesn't like meta. This is bizarre. I wonder if I can I resize this bigger? Yeah, let me get the word meta out of there. Oops. And let me just put fill in background. Submit edit. Now it's going. That was weird. Nope. I mean, it looks like it's just making leaves and water. All right, so let's go try something else. Let me open this. Is this it? Let me export this. Change it to, I don't know, fucking PNG. Desktop. Let's go back to here. Edit new image. Upload image. All right. Now it's PNG. Maybe we got rid of some metadata. Metadata. Get it? Because metadata, but it's called meta. The company's called Met. You understand? I'm over explaining myself again, right? All right. Fill in the background. Submit edit. Let's see if this works. It can still read image data, though. Attach the image to the prompt, maybe? Maybe. No, failed again. Absolutely fucking bizarre. Let me go take a screenshot of it. Let's see. This is bizarre. Strange. It's very strange, I tell ya. It's very strange. Desktop. Save it to the desktop. We'll do it live. Where's new? How do I make new? New. Upload. Desktop. Oh, I've got my desktop fucked up on this computer. I have a second desktop somewhere. I don't know where it is. So screenshots get saved to the other desktop, but not the one I have over here. If anyone knows how to fix that, let me know. It's janky. You know, we say embrace the jank. This is prime example of embrace the jank. Let me also maybe change my stylization down to 50. Maybe it's just a little too creative. All of this was just to try to make this image 16:9 so we could go over to Hedra and to Luma Labs and animate it. There's also a possibility that, no, now it worked. That's just fucking bizarre. I think that's the one. That or that? I think that. He looks more isolated there. Oh, we got to get rid of, it added a little signature there. I guess it'll blow your mind. Hello. How did I get here? All right, these are all fine. All right, so we're gonna upscale this to the gallery. So by the way, I'm in Midjourney. If you don't know where I am, I'm in Midjourney. I'm in the editor. You know, it's funny. It's striking me right now. I could also do this in Photoshop, but because Photoshop is a whole separate application, like this is easier, and it's Midjourney. It's really good, so I can do other shit with it. You're gonna have Talking Heads stuck in your head all night. Was I singing Talking Heads? Oh boy. Oh, how did I get here? Oh yeah. 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 This is not my beautiful pond. This is not my beautiful pad. Okay, so now we have this. So we're going to do 3 different things now. So we're going to go to, we'll do a new tab for Pika. And we'll do a new tab for Luma, which does really good with cartoon animations, by the way. And we'll do a new tab for, what was the other one I was going to do? Pika Luma. I just had an idea for another one. What did I just forget? Pika Luma. Smash the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to YouTube, please do. The other thing I'm going to do tonight, I have set up a new thing. So one of the things people have asked me is, do I have one-on-one time available? So I'm setting aside time on Saturdays moving forward if you want to do one-on-one sessions. So I set that up tonight. So I'll tell you how you can find that later. Oh yeah, Hedra. Thank you. Yeah, because Hedra's stuff is really good too. All right, so let's do Luma first. Try Dream Machine. So here's Dream Machine. So we're just going to do an individual image. We're going to pop the image in here. Where did I save this thing? Downloads, right? Here, okay. Something went wrong. Please try again later. Really? Really? Okay. Gecko dances on lily pad. And we're going to do Ray 2 Flash, or we'll do Ray 2 because Flash is faster, but we want it better. All right. Is that going? Come on. You can do it. Okay, it's dreaming. All right, so that's Luma. So we'll get rid of this one. We'll go to Pika. What's wrong with Pika? Why is Pika not there? Oh, is it Pika AI dot something? Pika.art. That's what it is. Time to transform. New Pika effects. Pika effects just dropped. Morph into iconic characters. Mrs. Me. Yeah, they have a bunch of new stuff now. Let's see. Pika frames. Gecko dances on lily pad. They've got Pika frames, Pika effects, Pika scenes, Pika additions, Pika swaps. Crazy. All right. Please select the last frame. Well, let's make it the same thing. Something went wrong. Well, Oh, we'll try Pika effects. Actions. Classics. Yeah, we'll do poke it. Image. Something went wrong. Why? Why is it not working? This is making me cranky. I don't like it. I'm trying now. You all suck. Upload image. Gecko dances on lily pad. Hedra character 3. Wow, they've got a bunch of cling. Oh, preparing to generate your video. All right, did Luma do its thing? That's pretty good. What is that? He's like taking a piss. Wee. Oh, yeah. Fantastic, Bob. Tell him what he's won. Aw, he is. He's cute. He's a cutie. Yeah. Yeah, Luma's pretty good. Like, watching the meta animation where it messed everything up. There's a little bit of mess up at the beginning of this. Right. See all that crazy shit where the words used to be? How'd I get here? But from there forward, like, you could just take that and stop it right before he lifts his leg. Here, let's download this. We'll turn this into a usable clip. So start it right there. Split clip. Wait, why can I not split my clip? Is this the wrong format? Oh, do I have something else open? I have a lot of open. What am I doing with my life? Good Lord. Jesus. This is worse than tab management. Why? I've had this happen before, haven't I? Let me quit and restart it. I have had this before, and I can't remember what I did to fix it. Anybody? Narrative fault. Hello. Can you create one video if I give you a prompt for the image and then generate the video of that image? Yeah, I can do that. Pop it in there. Pop it on in there. Pop it on in there. Let's go back over to this thing and see if Hedra did its thing. Preparing to generate your video. No, please do not close the browser. Well, how about you fucking make something? Kling, Hunyan, Luma Ray 2. That's what we just used. Minimax. VO2, 400 to 600 credits. Jesus. That's expensive. Let's try Hunyan. Boom. What is going on here? I do not get it. Hedra character. Oh, you know what we could do? I know what we could do. We'll upload the image. And then we'll do audio script and we'll fucking record it. Hey, how did I get out here? I don't like the water. I don't like the water. I like drinking water, but I don't like the water. Oh, he cut it off. Can I trim the end? Yeah. Okay. Add to video. All right. So now we're gonna make a talking gecko TikTok pin. He needs music. He'll get music. Okay, good, perfect. Let's go make music for the gecko. Let's see. Suno. We'll go to Suno. Oh no, you know what we'll go to? We'll go to Refusion because it's good and I haven't used it enough. So if you don't know Refusion, you should go to Refusion. I just want this to be instrumental. I'm going to be cartoon gecko on a lily pad music. What I've found about Refusion is you can give it really weird prompts and it does really good. Generate. All right. Okay, so for narrative vault, a golden puppy slipping off a mossy rock into a muddy, fast-flowing river. Stormy skies. Okay. And then soft weather, color textures, Studio Ghibli. Okay, yeah, we can do that. I'll pop that over to. Oh wait, I don't think I can copy this. Can I, Brandon? Can you copy it and somehow get it to me? See. Okay, cool. Tropical Joy. Failed to process your asset. What the fuck? Come on. Oh, do I have to re-record the script? Oh, come on. Hey, how did I get out here? Oh, this is not good. This is not good. The water scares me. Okay. Hey, such an idiot. If you think we're hearing the audio, we're not. Well, that's okay because it we lost it. Let's see if this thing's processed. Failed to process your asset. I can't. Yes, Mr. Shannon, what is your acceptance criteria for the engineering team on this particular feature set? Oh, yeah, here's my acceptance criteria. It should fucking work. Good Lord. Okay, let's see. Software, watercolor. Okay, I got that. So give me the other thing now. Let me go to Midjourney. Oh, wait, we can download. That's good enough to download, but we can't seem to get it to fucking work. I'm just so exhausted. People, all I want to do in this world is show you the fun toys. Midjourney. Do you have the other? Where's the other thing? Do you have the other? I need the beginning of the prompt. That's just the description. The actual subject is in that other YouTube comment, Brandon. The one above it. There we go. Okay, so we are now in Midjourney. A golden puppy slipping off a mossy rock. Do we want this to be? Oh, yeah, it says it down here. Okay. Soft watercolor textures. Let's do stylized 300 and create, and we'll do 16 by 9. Yes. All right. And we'll go boom, and then we'll make another one just for shits and grins. Here, I got, wait, did I get off it? There you go. Yeah, I could do that. I don't know if that's not, is that studio, whatever you call it? That doesn't look like watercolor. Here, let me throw this at the beginning. And then let me do this at 0. And then let me do this at 900. See if we get anything better, more betterer. That looks better. What's that, the 900? No, the 0. Midjourney is fucking weird, man. Like, this is what you described, not that. This is what you described. I think that's the one right there. All right. So let's do a creative upscale, a non-creative upscale of that. Is that decent? We're not laughing at you, Kyle. We're laughing with you. Shut up. Listen, I just want nice things for the people. Oh, good Lord. Let me try one more time here. I've got that. 16. Poke it. I don't want to poke it. Oh, yeah, I do. Pika scenes. Yeah, something went wrong. Use your screenshot on the desktop. I'm done. I'm done. I'm fucking done. All right. All right, let's download this bad boy. And then I think we'll go. Hedra's not working, is it? Let's try this in Hedra. No, we'll do it in Luma because Luma works. We know Luma works. All right, so we're going to upload this thing. And then we're going to go, something went wrong. What is going on? I have a feeling my tabs have bit me in the ass.
Hey, Kyle, I noticed that the image you're using is the same one that was being rejected by BidJourney when you were trying to make it 16 by 9. So maybe if we use the desktop version where you did the screenshot and saved it to your hidden desktop, that one might work better. Also, the narrative vault is asking if we could do it in Leonardo.
Oh, in Leonardo? Do the animation in Leonardo or the drawing?
Yes. It just says generate in Leonardo.
Oh.
Narrative, if you care to clarify, that would be great.
Leonardo.ai. Launch app. I haven't used this in forever, so if it seems like I don't know what I'm doing, it's cute. All right, that's not working. Come on, you can do it. Updates to flow state pricing. Okay. System maintenance. All right. Oh, you want to generate it in here. All right, so let's go. Image creation. Where did I do that? Midjourney. So let me go copy this from here. I don't want flow state. I want classic mode. Phoenix is fine. Oh, they've got Flux Dev in here. Flux is pretty good. Cinematic keynote. Well, we'll just try Phoenix since that's their big one. Image creation. Phoenix. Prompt enhance fine. Style dynamic. Contrast medium. We'll do quality generate. No, we won't, because that'll cost us money. Fuck that. We'll do 2 images. We don't need. Wait, it's forcing us to do 4? I don't get it. I don't get it. All right, whatever. Here's the prompt. Generate. And then you want to animate it right in here too? Phoenix select, please. Okay. All right, which of these do you like? I think this one, bottom right. Upscale the image, maybe later. Upscale image. Wait, how do I generate motion video? I can't do it here because I'm not paying for Leonardo. But anyway, it worked in Leonardo. So let me download this, and I'll take this over to Luma. Where's Luma? There it is. That looks great, actually. That's a really good illustration. Puppy nervously tries to jump but falls in water. Are we going? I think we might be going. Yeah, Leonardo did pretty good. I thought that was pretty good. All right, it's dreaming that up. The nice thing about Luma is you can do sound effects in this, and then we can put the music in there as well. I'm still trying to figure out what it was about. Well, maybe I need to export this as. See, I can't even do that. I've had this issue before. What the fuck is it? Is there something else open that's interfering? I bet there is. Is that? Something is eating my editing ability in QuickTime Player. The fuck has done this in the past? Oh, it's probably some tab. Yeah. You really shouldn't have so many tabs open. There are memory issues. There's what's called memory leaking. And what happens is the developers anticipate that the average user will keep 6 tabs open, and then they will manage their tabs appropriately. As they're opening new applications in the web browser, they'll of course shut the inactive tabs. And so what they really haven't accounted for is, anyone that would have a ridiculous amount of tabs open, like 7 or more, that's just absolutely insane, right? So no one would have that. So what they haven't done is they haven't accounted for that edge case, as we call it in the developer community, where someone might have more than 7 tabs open. But if they do, then it's kind of like, when you have a glass and you're pouring water in it and you've got ADD and you're thinking about your girlfriend from 3rd grade and you accidentally spill water over the edge. That's sort of what's happening in your browser if indeed you've got more than 7 tabs open. But who would have that? No one has that. It's just an edge case. You what? You currently have 84 tabs open across 3 windows. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, well, we will put that on the backlog. We will, that'll be captured in the backlog, which is, it's not on the roadmap. No, it's in the backlog. So we will get to that once the roadmap is complete. Then we will address backlog, what we call backlog issues. But then it will never get done. Oh no, it is very possible at some point it could get done and dealt with. Yes. Well, good luck. And you might want to try Firefox or some other browser. Could be nice too. All right. Good day. I am confused, Brendan. Oh, I see.
Hi, Kyle. We have a caller.
Hey, Narrative Vault. What's happening?
Yes, sir, I am talking to you. Use the Leonardo and the Phoenix version and select the vibrant style, and then yes.
Yeah. But I don't have a
yes,
paid, I don't have a paid version, so I can't make the
no issue, sir, no issue.
What?
Not a issue for paid version. It's a free. You can use it. Just select an style. Scroll up.
Scroll up.
Yeah.
Up here?
Yeah. Or more scroll. Left side scroll. Left side. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Here select dynamic style. Select vibrant. Yeah.
Uh-huh. And then do that.
And then generate image.
All right.
Here you can generate image in 7 to 8 generate image in free version.
All right, there it is.
Select one. Yes.
And now what?
Now I want to see the dog in this picture slip and fall into the water I want a video like this.
Yeah, well, this is the problem. I can't make the image here, so I can download this and try it in Leonardo, which is what we're already, or in Luma, which is what I'm already trying to do. Do. Yeah, there you go. Well, it's sort of. Yeah, he drowned the rabbit.
No, sir. I want like this, like a dog is sleeping in the river.
Yeah,
Like this one.
I don't listen. You could probably spend the next 4 hours doing this. What I would encourage you to do is do it. I'll try it one more time in Luma, but getting these things to behave in very predictable ways is not easy. So I'll do what I can here. We'll try one more time with this one. Let's see. Dog slips and falls into the water. They're playing leapfrog. I thought this one was kind of cute. Here, let's make audio for this. We'll say dog barks as he splashes and bunny laughs at him. All right, let's see how it does with audio. Dreaming up the audio. Do. All right, thank you, Narrative. Thanks for coming up. We'll see how we do here. How we do?
Thank you, sir, for connecting for call. If you want a complete story of this images, I can provide you.
Okay, great, beautiful.
You can understand.
Yeah, send us a DM in the AI Salon if you could, Narrative. Thanks so much.
All right, great.
Thank
All right, fantastic, Bob. Tell him what he's won. He hasn't won anything. It's not a game show. It's not even really a show. It's really more like a stream of consciousness where the conscious being isn't all that articulate. All right, here's the new one. That was a little deeper than I thought. Oh, that's so good. All right, let's see. Dog jumps into surprisingly deep water. This is what we call narrative. This is what we call embracing the jank here at the AI Learning Lab. These tools right now, you can't make incredibly predictable animations without doing a lot of work. The bunny set him up. Exactly. Yeah, the rabbit doesn't even notice. The rabbit is purely an evil being in this one. Okay, you got to hear the audio. Let me have you hear the audio. This is really good. Oh, good Lord. The funny. This is one of those things where you find out the bunny's been dead for 20 years. This is the ghost of the bunny that just gets little puppies to jump off the mossy rock. Oh, Lordy. Wow, people. Whoo! All right. That's funny. Okay, sleepy people. This needs to be a YouTube short and TikTok. Puppy slips off the rock. Oh, that's pretty funny. Let's download that video. Let's see. I guess I could quickly throw in our little music. Let's iMovie. Ah! Okay. Projects. I'm actually learning how to use iMovie, doing all these stupid little things. That's good.
Check your tab, Scott.
Okay. Oh, yeah. All right. So we got this. We got this. And then we'll do that. I don't know why it gives me such joy. You know, it's not very nice. He's a cute little puppy. He might not be safe. That is very rude. This channel is aggressive. I don't, you know, he made a Gen X HR translator. Let me tell you what, as an HR professional, I am a proud member of Sherpa, the Society of HR Professionals, proud member. And him joking about being aggressive in the workplace, I found it offensive. And then he made a video of a puppy where the puppy was just supposed to slip off a rock in a humorous way, and the puppy dives into a hole and he gets swallowed up by the ocean. I thought it was very inappropriate. Very inappropriate. La da 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 la da da. All right, we're gonna if we can get this to upload to Twitter, we're gonna share this tonight. Puppy slips, we're gonna call this. And you know what our little caption's gonna be for X? You do know, don't you? I hope you do. If you don't, you haven't been here long enough. Embrace the jank. Oh, yeah. Where did I save it? Where did I save it? Where did I save it? Please upload. Please, Twitter. Please, 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 please. Okay. Post. There you go. Thank you so much. That's amazing. Thanks again. Yeah, hopefully you can use that narrative vault. I love how he just goes face first and it just keeps going. The rabbit doesn't give two shits. We're gonna edit this. I gotta put the laughing emoji after it because this is too funny. Oh my god. Whoo! There you go. All right, people. So if you want to go boost the the drowning puppy and contribute to my debauchery, go over to Twitter and post that that bad boy. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Okay, so for this weekend, good Lord, I don't know. There's so much to play with. If you got access to Manus, then I would definitely play with that all weekend. It looks like you get like one decent prompt a day, but it does a lot in a single prompt. So jump in. I don't know. Oh, you know what I was going to show you here? Let me show you one other thing. Okay. So where am I going to share this? I will share this in the Irregulars channel. So let me copy a link here. So if you're not in the AI Salon, you should be. And the Irregulars channel is where we all hang out when we're not in here. So in Irregulars, I'm going to say, here's a document that is a deep research primer. And then I'll put the document in there. And then let me show you what this document is. So here are the tools that have deep research in them right now. Let me make this a little bigger. Make this 200% so it's a little more readable. Chat GPT, as you all know, has deep research, and it's got it now for at least Plus members, and it might even have it 1 or 2 a month for free members, but I think it's just Plus members. Perplexity now has deep research. Google Gemini has deep research. You have to use an individual account, not a work group account. Pate can explain why. DeepSeek has deep research, although today the search functionality of DeepSeek was not working. So I don't know if that was a temporary thing. And then you've got the Manus app, which is actually more like an agentic tool than just deep research, but it can do really deep-ass research. It's pretty amazing. And then I included Claude here because Claude's not connected to the internet, so it can't do deep research, but it's really good at creating things like dashboards. So if you do really interesting research things, you could take the results of that into Claude and make dashboards in a powerful way. The other thing that I put into this document is the different modes of large language models. And there's a lot of them now. So there's non-reasoning large language models like basic Chat GPT. You give it a prompt, it gives you an answer. Chat GPT 4.5 is actually what I would declare or describe as a high EQ model, so a high emotional intelligence model. So if you're doing something maybe with qualitative research or just you want something that's slightly more human, that's a different kind of LLM that we haven't really had before explicitly like that. So that's worth playing with. Perplexity is a weird kind of hybrid between search and a large language model. A lot of the other large language models now have search as well, but that's kind of a distinct capability. Then you have reasoning or deep thinking, right? And so a lot of these things have that. So that's just sort of a multi-step sort of thinking process before it gives you an answer. And then deep research combines reasoning with search, and produces these reports. And then you've got agentic, something like Manus. So anyway, I just wanted to share that because in putting this document together, I was like, there's a lot there. So a thing that you could play with this weekend is just play with some of the deep research tools you have access to and just see what they do, because they're pretty remarkable. All right. Oh, tomorrow, Vicky from the AI Salon and mod extraordinaire here at the AI Learning Lab is teaching a course on making digital twins. So again, if you haven't joined the AI Salon, go join the AI Salon. Go to the salon.ai, click join our community, and introduce yourself and go in there. And in the events, you'll see the digital twin learning out loud class tomorrow. All right, Saturday. Oh, with Cindy Kuhn. That's going to be really good. That's going to be really good. And it's free. Yeah, it's also free. Oh, speaking of not free, so I just started this. Over the since I've been doing this, people will often ask, is there a way to book, individual time with me? I've never really put anything together, but I decided to carve out 4 hours on a Saturday, from 10 to noon Mountain Time and from 1 to 2 Mountain Time, where you can book individual time with me. It's on my link tree. So if you go to my TikTok channel, AI Learning Lab on TikTok, and just click on my profile, the first link on my link tree, I'm calling it the AI Power Session. So it's a private AI Power Session. And the idea is I'll do the driving, you come with a problem, and then I'll basically be, figuring out which tool to use, prompting it, and working with you in real time to solve it. So that's a new thing I'm putting out there as an experiment. And you can book it directly from that link, and you can learn all about it there. So that's there. I haven't really promoted it. I just decided to do it tonight. So it's there if that's of interest to anyone. All right. Next week, Tuesday night, we have our AI Salon meet and greet. So if you're new to the community, you should come to that. If you've been with the community for a while, you should come to that and introduce yourself, and we'll talk about the news, and you get to meet different people in the community. Every single time I have a meeting with lots of different people, like today we had AI office hours. It was really, really quite powerful, like it always is. The AI Salon meetings are quite powerful. So if you haven't been to one of those, come next Tuesday from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Mountain Time. You can RSVP in the AI Salon. All right. That's it. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, everyone. Thank you, producer Brandon. Thank you, mods. Thank you, Vicky. Thank you, everyone, irregulars who come and hang out here night after night after night. It makes doing this really quite rewarding and worthwhile. So thank you. All right. Ugh, I always miss office hours somehow. Sorry, Bottle. No. It's every Friday at 11 a.m. Mountain Time, and we always use the same login URL. Although today I sent it out. I sent out the wrong URL to anyone on LinkedIn. So I don't know if Danielle's here tonight, but if she is, thank you for routing people to the correct meeting. All right, groovy. Have a good weekend, everybody. Peace out. Do.